A pillow?
A barrel.
You got a pillow.
Barrel.
I think it's something else. Daddy can help you put it together. What does that say?
Apple.
Annabelle, you're right.
Oh, it does. That's awesome.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's actually a chair.
Okay, stop.
A chair. Daddy will put it together for you. It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
It's a chair. A chair, it says Annabelle's name on it.
Where do you think we want it?